Alright beauties, here are all of the palettes that contain a red or red leaning shadow. This does not include my single shadows. I will do those as a separate video. But this is going to be swatching every single eyeshadow that I own. We are starting in rainbow order with the shade red, of course. Let's get to swatching. First up is the Spooked palette from Gourmande Girls and Doodles by the Bunny. And I will be swatching the shade Terror. MBA Cosmetics, Shake Your Ghoul Thing. Love at First Bite. NOMAD Cosmetics, Hudson Valley palette. Shade Apple Picking. AKA Aislinn, Spoiled Cosmetics. Spooked palette, Terror, Shake Your Ghoul Thing, Love at First Bite. Hudson Valley, Apple Picking. AKA Aislinn, Spoiled Cosmetics. ColourPop Cosmetics, Wine and Only. Play to Wine, Mull It Over. Ace Beauté, Mystic Romance, shade Allure. Give Me Glow, Christmas Morning, shades Stocking Stuffer and Cozy Fire. ColourPop Wine and Only. Ace Beauté, Mystic Romance. Give Me Glow, Christmas Morning. Ladybug Glow, Loud. Gourmande Girls, Secret Grove, shade Rustic. Rebel Rouge Labs, Come Undone, the Sweater Weather palette. Cardigan. Gourmande Girls, That Time of Year, shade Cherries Jubilee. Ladybug Glow. Gourmande Girls, Secret Grove. Rebel Rouge Labs, Sweater Weather palette, Come Undone. Gourmande girls that time of year. Empress Me and Doodles by the Bunny, Colors of the World, shade Merzoga. NOMAD Cosmetics, the Verona Amore e Morte palette, and I will swatch from here all the way across. Empress Me, Colors of the World, NOMAD Cosmetics, Verona, Amore e Morte. And last up is the Glam Light Scooby-Doo palette, and I will be swatching shade 20. And that is it for the actual red shades. I could have definitely gone more like red and browns, pinks, things like that. But I really wanted to kind of stay pretty true to red. Of course, next up is orange. Which shade or shades were your favorite? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.